This morning, we are shining the spotlight on a local organization that is working to transform the conversation about mental health. Hope for Hallie honors the legacy of Hallie Jackson, a vibrant, sports-loving teenager who struggled in silence with her mental health. And joining us this morning are Hallie's parents, Kevin and Christine Jackson. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us.
Before we get started, how are you both doing?
It depends on the moment, really. Every day is different, but in doing our work through Hope for Hallie, we see positive things happening, and for us that creates a beautiful legacy for our daughter.
And a blessing, I'm sure, in so many other people's lives. What is it that you want people to know about your daughter, Hallie? She sounds like she was incredible.
She was a great friend. She loved her family. She loved her friends. She loved sports. She loved camaraderie. She was the epitome of that connector, trying to bring everyone together.
You are continuing her legacy and her memory and her love for everything that you just described in this organization, Hope for Hallie, to shatter the silence around mental health and remind everyone that it is okay to seek help. What ways are you doing that?
Well, we've tried to really think outside the box. We know that it's tough for people to express their feelings at times, and we just want to make that easier. So we really work to build a community, to bring people together, to build that connection, and hopefully show that there are caring people in the community.
I mean, this organization was truly created out of our pain to purpose, both our family's pain as well as the community's pain, and the community is what's allowed us to fuel our motivation to keep moving forward and to keep her legacy alive, and we get to say her name every day.
I love that you just said we get to say her name every day. And you're not alone. Everyone else is also saying Hallie's name too. And you have a special event coming up happening at Citizens Bank Park this Friday night. Speaking of those events that you like to host, what can we expect with this one? This is pretty cool.
We tried to find ways to bring people together, to have fun, but it has a mental health undertone to build that support. And so we have a night at Citizens Bank Park. It's a Phillies game, come out and support the home team. But a donation of the tickets bought under the Hallie link support our therapy scholarships. So we currently have about 300 people who are attending under that, and we hope for more. We want to remove those barriers of access to care. We think that if you're struggling, that you should be able to reach out for support and not
be burdened with the weight or the cost. And from very early on, Chris had a very good direction of how she wanted Hope for Hallie to be. And we're very proud to this day that we've paid out over 1,700 therapy sessions for struggling youths. So that's primarily what our events and our fundraising goes to, is to help support that scholarship program.
What a beautiful mission, and what a beautiful way to honor your daughter who still lives within you. I know I haven't had the chance to meet her, but I can tell that you two love her so much and are amazing parents, and you should be so proud of the work that you are doing. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it. I know it wasn't easy for you, so thank you so much for sharing your message and sharing Hallie's legacy for everyone else to see.
Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely. Once again, if you want more information about Hope for Hallie and the ways that you can get involved with this incredible organization, go to nbc10.com/findit110. Kevin and Christine Jackson, thank you both so much for being here on Filet. I'm going to give you a hug. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.